This is the Cleer Crescent Smart Audio Speaker. I'm going to unbox it straight ahead. Welcome back, guys. It's Alex from TECHAERIS.com, and we have the Cleer Crescent Smart Audio Speaker from Cleer. And this is a unique looking speaker, and I thought it was worthy of an unboxing. And since my HLK Silver Sky build, I've decided that this area in my garage is a great space for unboxing and doing some work. So we're going to unbox this guy right here and have a look at what $699.99 buys you. So let's get into it. Alrighty, guys, let's get into this unboxing. Just to let you know, there is an outer box to this box. This is the inner box. It's just rather large, so I just decided to take it out of the inner box and just decided to take it out of the outer box and just unbox the inner box. So, have not seen this yet. This is the first time I've seen it. I'm going to take a look for the first time with you. We are going to plug it in and play some sounds through it. It's going to not be the best demonstration of audio, obviously, because it's not going direct. So, you'll just have to listen along with me, and we'll just have a listen to it. So the Crescent is a smart audio speaker that Cleer, and we've done reviews for Cleer in the past. We've done reviews on the Cleer headphones, never any other speakers. But this is kind of a different speaker. The company wanted to do something different and out of the norm of your normal smart speakers that you get from other companies. This is really, at least from the pictures, a really nice looking design. I'm going to go ahead and unbox this and not talk for just a second, because I'm sure that the box scraping is probably causing a lot of interference there with my voice. So let's pull this guy out and see what we got. All right, we got inner foam. Oh, wow. Ooh. And we have the speaker itself, and it's encased in a nice bag. I'm going to put that down right here, and then I'm going to move this box out of the way as I get everything else out as well. All right, guys, we are back, and this is the Crescent. Definitely something different. Never have seen anything like this before, and just unboxing it is pretty fun. Getting this thing out of the box. It's got some nice heft to it. You can really tell that it's well built. The materials used are really nice. Comes in this kind of satiny cloth bag that's really nice as well. It's just a really pretty speaker, I gotta tell you. All right, all the controls look to be right up here on top. Well, I don't know if the camera's picking this up or not. They're kind of engraved into the aluminum. So you have your mic, and you have your mode button, and your Bluetooth, aux, and optical, and those are just LEDs. And then you also have a microphone on either side of the Cleer logo. And moving on, you have your play, pause, and volume up and down, track forward and back buttons, it looks like. And everything on the top it's just this, like I said, bronze goldish color aluminum, and it's really nice. It's just all one big grill on the top. We're gonna flip this guy over and have a look to see what the bottom of it looks like. All right, guys, I flipped it over on its top. I think it's just easier to show what's on the bottom. You can see the oval shape on the bottom, and then it has two nice rubber feet here that provide the stability on a countertop. And I know that's upside down, but there's your aux, optical, your DC in, and it has a LAN port as well. And then it looks like the subwoofers are on either side. Excuse me, I'm getting tongue-tied. Either side of the speaker on the bottom and toward the rear. And the bottom is made of a plastic. It feels like but it's real dense plastic. It's not like a hollowy plastic. It's just really nice. Everything is, I mean, for $700, it better be made really well. All right, guys, the only other things inside the box were the power cable and the power brick, which is pretty sizable. And then a Crescent brochure, as well as the Crescent instruction manual. I'm gonna move these out of the way because these are, you know, not what we came to look at. Put those over there. And I got my iPad over here, and I'm gonna show you guys a little bit of what the company talks about. They say the Crescent showcases how our design team owns the moment, is what their tagline is. Step away from the monotonous styling of the modern speaker landscape and create an all-in-one sound system that complements the interior of any room in the home. Crescent will support wireless music streaming from a wide variety of popular services, including high-resolution file formats. So your high-res streaming services like Tidal, you should be able to get all those type of things in here. It comes with intelligent sound modes, including stereo widening, 3D sound, and room fill. So different types of EQs, it looks like. Precise engineering, looks like it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What I'm assuming are tweeters are in the front, and then your 2 subwoofers are in the back. It says Crescent utilizes a linear array of 8 custom 40mm full-range drivers and dual 84mm woofers. Unwanted sonic resonance is eliminated thanks to a glass-reinforced substructure and geometrically vaulted design. All right, and it goes on to talk about the craftsmanship, which is really, really evident here, that they took some time to really design this well, and they used some super high-end materials to build this. So guys, I'm gonna plug it in and we'll play a couple sounds on here. I'm gonna have to find something that's not copyrighted. Otherwise we'll be demonetized, maybe even pulled if we do something like that. But we're gonna play a couple somethings in here so that you can get an idea of what it sounds like. All right guys, we are back and I have the Crescent from Cleer here. And we're gonna play a little audio through it. And I have it set up on AirPlay 2 on my iPhone, on my iPad actually. So we're going to do it through AirPlay, and let's hear how it sounds. I'm going to play a little Beethoven because I hope that that's not copyrighted. So guys, it's hard to tell in this recording, I know, but it does feel very room filling. Again, I'm not in any specific mode here. I don't know actually don't know which mode this is in. Still got a lot to dig through in the owner's manual. Just wanted to unbox this and give you guys a first look at it, and kind of it's just a really cool speaker, albeit expensive. It does also support Google Assistant, so you can do all your little Google Assistant type deals on it. It's a really nice speaker. Cleer does make great headphones. You can check out some of our Cleer headphone reviews on the website. And at some point, we will have a full review of this on the website, written review. So if you want to check that out, make sure you keep an eye on the site for that. But for now, I'm going to let you guys go. If you like this video, make sure you hit like. And if you're not subscribed, I'd appreciate you subscribing. And we will talk to you guys on the other side.